If you want to invest your fund in stocks or in trading or in real estate, then check the links in the description below. In this video, we will see impedance combinations. Question: determine the input impedance of the circuit in figure at omega is equal to 10 radian per second. Here for this circuit, we have to find its input impedance. So solution: first of all, let's assume this is Z1. Let's say this is Z1, this is Z2, and this form Z3. Now here we can see Z1 is the combination of capacitor and resistor. So Z1 will be equal to R plus Jx, and we know that X is equal to R plus Jxl minus Xc. Here the value of inductive reactance will be 0. So this will be R plus, not plus, this will be minus Jxc. So therefore Z1 is equal to R plus J. Now in place of Xc, Xc is equal to 1 upon omega c. Again here this is minus, not plus. So R minus J 1 upon omega c. The value of resistance is 80 minus J 1 upon omega. The value of angular frequency is 10. So this will be 10 into the value of capacitance. The value of capacitance is 0.5 millifarad. So 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 3. So if we simplify this, so it will be 80 minus J, and this will be 1 upon 10 into 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 3. So it is 200. Let's say this is equation number 1. Now next is Z2. So Z2 is only this capacitor. So this will be only minus Jxc, or we can write full equation, that is R plus Jx is equal to, the value of resistance is 0, and this will be J in bracket XL minus, or let's write full again. So it will be R plus J XL minus Xc. So the inductive reactance is also 0 and the resistance is also 0. So this will be minus Jxc only, and we can write Xc as, so minus J as it is, and this will be 1 upon omega c. So minus J 1 upon the value of omega is 10 into the value of capacitance is 1 millifarad. So it will be 1 into 10 to the power minus 3. So this will be minus J, and here this will be 1 upon 10 into 1 into 10 to the power minus 3. So it is 100. Let's say this is equation number 2. Now for Z3. So here Z3 is the combination of inductance and resistance. So again we will write the full equation. So it is R plus Jx. So it will be R plus J in bracket XL minus Xc. So here the value of capacitive reactance is 0. Here we can see the capacitive reactance is 0. So this will be only R plus Jxl. So Z3 is equal to, the value of resistance is 200. So 200 plus J, XL we can write it as omega L. So this will be 200 plus J, the value of omega is 10 into the value of L. The value of L is 8 Henry. So it is 8. So it is equal to 200 plus J, this will be 80. So this is equation number 3. Now here we can see Z in. Again let's copy this. So for this, here we can see, let's erase this. Z in is equal to Z1 is in series. So Z1 plus this Z2 and Z3 are connected in parallel. So this will be Z2 into Z3 divided by Z2 plus Z3. Now let's simplify this and put all the values here. So this will be Z in is equal to the value of Z1 is 80 minus J200. So 80 minus J200 plus the value of Z2 is minus J100. So minus J100 into the value of Z3. It is 200 plus J80. 200 plus J80 divided by same minus J100 plus 200 plus J80. So therefore Z in is equal to this value. So let's simplify this. So it will be 80 minus I into 200 plus, let's put all the values. So it is in bracket minus I into 100 into 200 plus I into 80 divided by minus 100 into I, then plus 200 plus I into 80. So it is 129.50 minus J 295.04, and since it is impedance, so its unit will be ohm. So this is how we can find input impedance. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.